Hi guys, welcome to Jules Cooking. Today we're going to create a beautiful Dutch shrimp entree. It's going to be a shrimp salad with a sous-vide cooked egg yolk, a brandade foam and some crispy bacon. So if you haven't done already, please hit that subscribe button to support my channel and hit that notification button to be sure that you don't miss any amazing cooking videos. So, let's begin. We're going to begin by making pickled lemons. First, almost cut 5 lemons in 4. Then open them up and fill them with a generous amount of Korea salt. Now transfer them into a preserving jar and press everything all the way down so that they're almost submerged in the salt and their own juice. Then close the lid and let it sit for at least 2 months. Shake it every other day to ensure that everything stays covered with the salt. Here I have some that I've made a couple of months ago. Take a quarter and cut the flesh away so that you're left with the peel. Then cut it in small brunoise and keep it for later. Now for the Dutch shrimp salad. Begin by chopping some chives really fine. Now add a tablespoon of mayonnaise to 100 grams of Dutch shrimp and also add the chives. Then also the pickled lemon brunoise, black pepper and when necessary some salt. Now mix this. Then cover it with plastic foil and keep it in your fridge for later. Then for the baby potatoes. Pour 1 liter of water into a saucepan and add 5 sprigs of lemon thyme and season with 10 grams of salt. Now add 1 kilogram of baby potatoes and boil them on a medium heat for around 20 minutes. Once cooked, take them out of the water and let them cool down in your fridge. Then chop them in smaller pieces and keep them in your fridge for later. Now for the egg yolk. Transfer 6 eggs in a sous vide bath at 64 degrees Celsius and let them cook for 70 minutes. After that, cool them down in some ice water. Now crack the eggs open and gently press the egg white away. Then cover them with some plastic foil and keep them in your fridge for later. Now for the bacon. For this, transfer some thinly sliced smoked bacon on a silicone sheet and cover it with another silicone sheet. Give it a good press. Then bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for around 25 minutes till golden brown and crispy. Once golden, transfer them on a kitchen paper and give it a good press to remove as much fat as possible. Now chop it and then keep it dry and covered for later. Then the brandade foam. First peel 200 grams of a floury potato and then cut it in 8. Now transfer it into a saucepan and also add 500 grams of vegetable stock, 300 grams of cream, 4 grams of salt and 1 cleaned clove of garlic. Now let it reduce till the whole mixture weighs 600 grams. Meanwhile, lay 250 grams of codfish on a parchment paper. Then season the top with some salt and bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Once both the liquid and the codfish are done, combine the two and blend it till smooth. Give it a little taste for seasoning and then put it through a really fine sieve. Using a ladle will make it a little bit easier. After that, transfer it into a siphon and charge it with 2 charges. Shake it well after each charge and then let it rest for 30 minutes in your fridge. Then we can start to finish the dish. First, lay a couple of baby potatoes on the bottom of the bowl. Then cover this with a generous tablespoon of the shrimp salad. Now lay your egg yolk on top and season it with some flaky salt. Then cover this completely with the brandade foam. All the components, except for the shrimp salad, are served at room temperature. Now sprinkle some of the crispy bacon on top and finish it off with a touch of lemon zest. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So please let me know in the comments on what you want to see next. Like and share the video and subscribe if you want to support my channel and see more amazing cooking videos. And as always, bon appetit!